All right, everyone, buckle up. Welcome to another deep dive. This one, I think, is going to really get those brain cells firing.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going into some pretty deep waters today.
Definitely deep waters, but also really exciting waters.
Totally. So today we're going to be talking about the relationship between science and religion.
Yep.
Uh, and not in the way you might think. We're not going
Yeah.
to be, debating evolution versus creationism or anything like that. Instead, we're going to be looking at a group that sees these two seemingly opposite fields as actually complementary paths to knowledge.
Yeah, it's a really fascinating perspective.
Yeah, and the group we're talking about is the Sacred Atlantean Brotherhood.
That's right.
And the text we're diving into is called, are you ready for this? The Harmony of Science and Religion, Exploring the Unity of Knowledge.
A mouthful, but a powerful one.
Totally. So the Sacred Atlantean Brotherhood is founded by a guy named Waxira, and they have a really unique approach to understanding the world and our place in it. They say that science and religion, they're not rivals. They're actually like two sides of the same coin.
Yeah, like two hands working together.
Okay, yeah, I like that analogy. Like you need both hands to, I don't know, clap or climb a tree or,
Or to hold a telescope and a spiritual text at the same time.
okay, you win. That's a much better analogy.
Just trying to stay on theme here.
Perfect. So they see these two things, science and religion, as working together.
Right. They each offer a different perspective, a different lens through which to view reality.
Yeah, like one might give you the nuts and bolts of how things work, and the other might give you the meaning behind it all, right?
Exactly. Science can tell us about the physical laws that govern the universe, while religion can provide a framework for understanding our purpose and our connection to something greater.
Okay, so it's not about choosing one over the other. It's about using both to get a fuller picture.
Yeah, that's the idea. And one of the key things the Sacred Atlantean Brotherhood emphasizes is this concept of know thyself.
Okay, I've heard that before, but what does it actually mean in this context? Is it just about like meditating and looking inwards all the time?
Well, there's definitely an element of introspection, of self-reflection, but it goes deeper than that. They believe that by truly understanding ourselves, our thoughts, our emotions, our motivations, we can unlock a deeper understanding of the universe itself.
Wait, hold on. How does understanding myself help me understand like black holes and galaxies and stuff?
Think about it this way. We humans are part of this universe, right?
Yeah, obviously.
So we're not separate from it. We're made of the same stuff as stars and planets.
Stardust, right?
Exactly. So the Sacred Atlantean Brotherhood suggests that the same patterns and principles that govern the cosmos are also at play within us.
Hmm. Okay. So by understanding our own inner workings, we can start to see those same patterns reflected in the larger universe.
Precisely. And there's this really powerful quote from their teachings that captures this idea. Know thyself, and you shall know the gods and the heavens.
Whoa, that's pretty intense.
It is, but it also kind of makes sense, right? Like, if we are reflections of the universe, then by studying ourselves, we're also studying the universe.
Yeah, okay, I'm starting to get it. But
Yeah,
they don't just encourage sitting around contemplating our navels, right?
definitely not. They believe in actively exploring the world around us, both through scientific inquiry and through spiritual practices.
So it's about finding that balance, that harmony between the inner and the outer.
Yeah, like a dance between science and religion, between exploration and introspection.
So, like, one day you might be in a lab doing experiments, and the next day you might be meditating on a mountaintop.
That's the spirit of it, and they see this approach as essential for uncovering deeper truths and ultimately for achieving a more complete understanding of ourselves and the world.
That's pretty cool. So how can we, like ordinary people, not members of this brotherhood, apply these ideas in our own lives?
Well, I think the key takeaway is that every time we engage with the world, whether it's through reading a scientific article, gazing at the stars, or simply reflecting on our own experiences, we're actually on a journey of self-discovery.
Yeah, so it's about staying curious, open to new ideas, and always looking for those connections between the seemingly separate parts of our lives.
Right, and remembering that the universe is vast and mysterious, but it's also a reflection of the divine intelligence that exists within each of us.
So the more we learn about the universe, the more we learn about ourselves. And the more we understand ourselves, the more we can appreciate the incredible beauty and complexity of the cosmos.
Exactly. It's this beautiful feedback loop of knowledge and understanding.
Whoa, this has been a truly mind-bending deep dive. I feel like I need to go sit under a tree and contemplate all this for a while.
Me too. But hey, maybe that's part of the process, right?
You got it. Thanks for joining me on this journey, everyone. Keep those minds open, keep exploring, and we'll catch you on the next deep dive.
See you then. Bye!